once again to Mama Nigel's kitchen. A kitchen filled with love and everyday amazing adventure. You will never have a dull moment. So thank you guys for coming in today. To all my subscribers, much love. If you are new here, you are warm-heartedly received into this family today. Consider joining this family. All you have to do is hit the subscription button and turn on the post notification bell. That's all you have to do. You know, there is no cost to it whatsoever. And if you like what you are going to see today, be sure to hit that like button, thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up, guys. It's a very important communication tool used to communicate their interest and the value that they find in the content of the video. Hearing so many natural noises at the background is because we are outside close to nature. Don't you like that? And the weather is so perfect. It's such a perfect night. There is no moon up. I don't even see any stars up, but we have adequate lighting, you know, around here. This is actually night time. So tonight, what I am bringing to you is a setup mother's date night. So that date night could be with anyone. It could be with girlfriends gathering together and having that mother's date night. It could also be with mothers and children, mothers and daughters, mothers and sons, mothers and hubby. Okay, so it's mother's date night. The key essence is that the mother within that group are the ones that are the focus of that night, and they are the ones that will be celebrated. I hope you get the point. Yeah, so mother's date night. So guys, here we have created a very cottage romantic, I would say, yes, a cottage romantic setup scenery here that befits the woman, the mothers of the night. So guys, what we have, I'm going to bring you closer so you can take a close-up look of what we actually have set up here. This was a fun project for me to do, and I really enjoyed it because I know any mother that is using this space will absolutely feel special because there is attention to detail in everything that is placed here. Okay? All right, guys, let's take a close-up look.
Only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, I wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go.
You can see, guys, here is the table setup. So we have the Egyptian pattern napkin. In the place setting, we are using clear gas with specks of gold triangles, and the dessert plate is in gold. And then we have a soup bowl that currently has some sunflowers within it. Still understand. So that is also mirrored on the other side because this is a table for two.
We've been longing to escape, and here we are driving.
And I am using napkin rings. I have these sunflower napkin rings. Okay, it coordinates with the yellow color that I have in this background. So I just put 3 of them in the soup bowl to create the flower design within the bowl. It's like a small flower pot. Flower patterned stemware, and the takeaway gift, which is the kisses. Okay, and then we have the candles in the crystal stand. On this end, which is our wine and fruit bar, so we are using a cottage bicycle stand that is housing some flowers at the bottom, as well as a 2-tiered level centerpiece that is housing a decorative fruit platter. And as you can see, this is fruit artwork that has been layered strategically. Sweets, and we have kisses, some wafer rolls, and some assorted international chocolate candies of various flavors. So this piece right here you can consider as the dessert center. And adjacent to that, we also have the wine in the wine holder with ice. We are using the rose champagne as that is the desire of our guest of the evening.
22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical.
See, it is not complicated setup at all. It is a simple but yet very class and tasteful setup. Okay, so any mother using this space will feel treated out like a queen, like a princess, and that is exactly what we want that mother to take away from this experience. You know, that they have been pampered. Yes, that is the right word. Pampered for that evening. You know, having that exotic experience, even though they didn't have to take any trip outside their home. So this setup can be done in your home. So you can do this setup in your home. As you can see, guys, I am using this triangle nook, middle point of 2 walls. So let's go to the arch. So we have this wide arch, okay, that we have laced with some runners and balloons. The balloons is a floral color as well as gold. Right, all the way down. And then beside that, we have this hydrangea flower pots on a glass top stand. So at the very far background, we do have this panel wall. It's all in flowers from white and lavender, as well as, you know, very subtle romantic lighting at the background. So that helped to create this beautiful ambience at the background for this dinner date to take place. So guys, how do you like what you see so far? If you are really getting into this and you are loving what you are seeing, guys, please do not hesitate to give that thumbs up, and drop a comment. What do you like most about this setup? Is this something that you would love to recreate in your home? So, the last thing we're going to quickly talk about is the centerpiece. So we have this lemon vase centerpiece, guys. I have a DIY video on that, so to show you exactly how you can recreate this amazing, spectacular piece in your home. It is portable, guys. You can move it from one location to the other. I'm telling you, it speaks volume. Okay, so you have at the bottom, this is a very large clear glass vase with lemon some of greenery scattered around strategically, and then coming out of the lemon we have the sunflower and the tropical flower. So yeah guys, this is exactly how this was put together to create this beautiful mother's date night for this very special lady.
To escape, and here we are, driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea. Think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose. I remember every day that I spent right here with you. Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel as good as I do. Baby, I wanna still act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical.
You have certainly enjoyed this video today. Having that mother's date night was quite a unique and sensational experience, because the ambience in itself was quite romantic. And as I said before, this date night, mother's date night, can be with girlfriends. It can also be date night with hubby or the love of your life. It can also be a date night with your children. Mother-daughter's date night, mother-son's date night. So, and this is all in the field of Mother's Week, Mother's Day celebration. So guys, this has been fun, and the ambience, was well enjoyed by the mothers, that this was created for. And I hope that you have gained one or two tips here that you can use to incorporate in your own style to create that luxury but inexpensively done so ambience for your date night. You can absolutely do this. But thank you for coming in today. And again, remember, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that thumbs up before you leave the house. I want to say thank you all so much for watching the videos, for investing your time in it. And I know whatever you are sowing into this mission of spreading the word, enhancing the lives of everyone that come across this video, is not going to be in vain. So I just want to appreciate you once again. Thank you all so much for your belief in me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Mwah. Until our next upload, okay, before, bye bye.
Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud.